Standard 7, Subject Maths, Chapter 3, Data Handling. Today's our topic is median and mode. How to be find the median of this given sets of number? We know that median is the middle value or central value only after arrange the number in ascending order. The ascending order of this given number is 2, 4, 6, 12, 12, 16 and 18. Now to find the median, we have to look for the middle value. This is the middle value. It has 3 terms on its left side and 3 terms on its right side. So 12 is the median of this sets of number, and the median, as we can see, it is the 4th term. But how we can find out which term is the median? Here the 4th term is the median. Look at the set of numbers. We have 7 terms here, and 4th term can be written as 7 plus 1 upon 2 is equal to 8 upon 2 is equal to 4. So we can say that median is the n plus 1 by 2th term. Here n is equal to 7 and median is the 4th term. Will this work for any and every set? This formula works only when the number of terms in the set is odd. Means if n is odd. Then what happens when it's even? Look at this set. Find the median. First we have to arrange the number in ascending order. The ascending order of the given number is 7, 7, 14, 15, 17, 24, 29, 42. What will be median in this case? If there are 8 terms, we cannot find the central value of the set. So the median will be the average of the 2 central terms. So it's a 15 and 70. So it will be 15 plus 17 by 2 is equal to 32 by 2 is equal to 16. So the 16 is the median of this set of values. But how we can find it? Which term is the median? Here 15 is the 4th term. And n is equal to 8. So 15 is the n by 2th term. What about 17? 17 is the 5th term. It is actually the term after this one. So 17 is the n by 2 plus 1th term. So median is equal to average of n by 2th and n by 2 plus 1th term. This is only when n is even. Look at the set of number 13, 4, 6, 2, 13, 2 and 7. How to be find the mode of this given set of number? For that, first we have to arrange this number into ascending order. So, first number it's a 2. 2 occurs twice. So, again 2. Then 4. Then 6, 7, 13 and 13. From this number, we can see that 2 occurs twice and 13 also occurs twice. So, we know that mode is the number that occurs most frequently in this given set of numbers. So, here 2 and 13 occurs twice. So, here 2 modes, 2 and 13. In the last video, you have already learned what is the mode and median. Let's take one example. The runs scored in a cricket match by 11 players is as follows. It's a 6, 15, 120, 50, 100, 80, 10, 15, 8, 10 and 15. Find the mode and median of this data. Are the two same? To find the mode and median, first we have to arrange the data in the ascending order. So the ascending order of the given data is a 6, 8, 10, 10, 15, 15 occurs again 15, 50, 80, 100 and 120. That is the ascending order of the given data. Now what is the mode? mode is the observation occurred the highest number of times. You just look at here. Here 15 occurs 3 times. So mode of this given data, it's a 15. Now the median. What is the median? Median is the middle observation. So just look at here. 15 is the median. How? It has left side 5 terms and it has right side 5 terms. So median is the given data, it's a 15. Therefore mode and median is 15. Yes, both are the same. Yes, the mode and median are same. Let's take another example. The weights in kg of 15 students of a class are given here. First one, find the mode and median of this data. To find the mode and median, first we have to arrange this data into ascending order. So the ascending order of the given data is 32, 35, 36, 37, 38. 38 occurs 3 times, so again 38, 38, 40, 42, 43. It's also occurs 3 times, so it's again 43, 43, 45, 47 and 50. Now mode. Mode is the observation occurred the highest number of times. So here 38 and 43 occurs 3 times. So mode is equal to 38 and 43. And the median. Median is the middle observation and it's a 40. How? Because it has the 7 terms on the left side and 7 terms on the right side. So 40 is the median for the given data. Now the second one, is there more than one mode? Yes, there are 2 modes. One it's a 38, one it's a 43. The next topic that will be discussed in the next video. Thank you.